Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris, aka the IT guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to partition your disk or to make some partitions from your disk by using the software that I'm going to show you, which is my favorite, which is now the MiniTool Partition Wizard 12.6. I know many of you are wondering if you need this. I can guarantee that you need that, because sometimes when you try to use this partition from the Windows itself, it will give you some of the few features and you never do the partitions in the flexible way. And in that case, that's where now the MiniTool Partition Wizard 12.6 version come into play. You can see that this is now the traditional method, what I can call the traditional method of making the disk partitions, but we don't need this either way. As long as we have this MiniTool, we can do that job very easily. So I'm going to close all this and I'm going to go to the browser to browse for it. I'm going to open the browser of my favorite. You can open your browser of your favorite. There's no limitation to that. And I'm going to choose the account. For example, let me use this. And I'm going to type Partition Wizard like this one and press enter. The first link that will come will be from partitionwizard.com. So I'm going to go ahead and press on here. And there will be this welcome screen. And to show us that we are now successfully on the official website on our own way you can get this tool. You can see that there will be this description that it is the all-in-one partition manager. It will support all these file formats, the MBR, the GPT, the NTFC, and the FAT32. And you can convert the dynamic disk without losing any of your data. So that is very cool. So it is now an effective recovery program. They also recover you, they provide you the recovery program. It can perform the powerful. It can clone your disk as you need to have the same content on the different disks. You can use this tool to do that. All right, it can be used by home and office. It can be used by servers and for the enterprise. So without further ado, let's go ahead and acquire a setup. To do that, I'm going to go on where it's written download Partition Wizard, and I'm going to try the free edition. But for the sake of showing you all the features, I have my key. I will try to input it in, and I will show you as it's fully featured. I'm going to open this and minimize my browser because we don't need it for this time to have a clean workspace like this, and wait for the setup to start. When it asks you to accept, I'm going to press yes, and the setup will start right away. It will ask us to choose the language. If you are okay with English, you can remain it with here, but you can toggle and choose any language of your favorite. It comes in these languages, and I'm going to go ahead and press OK and wait for the setup to start. In this screen, they will show you that you can have these features while you are using free edition. But for the pro version, you will be having all these beautiful features. So I'm going to go ahead and try pro, and I'm going to press next, and this will be the default folder on where it will be installed. I'm going to leave it as this. I'm going to press next, and to download the setup, so you have to give it a go. And I'm going to speed this up so as to never waste time. Wonderful. And as now the setup will be completed, it will leave this check mark checked. This was to open the MiniTool Partition Wizard. I'm going to leave it checked and press on finish. In that case, it will open the software for us. So I'm going to press on finish and just wait for a couple of seconds for this. It will bring this pop-up so as to tell us to buy this subscription from the Pro, Platinum, and the Pro Ultimate. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and I will be in here. And when you take a closer look, you can see that I'm having a demo version on here, but there will be also an option to register this. I'm going to click on register, and to bring this, and I'm going to go ahead and input my license code because I have them. So I'm going to paste it in here. You can paste yours if you have one, and I'm going to click on upgrade. In this case, to upgrade to the pro version. So let's wait for a bit until they verify my license key. And you can see that they told me thank you for the registration. I'm going to go ahead and press on OK. All right, in this case, you can see that I'm having the annual subscription, and I can access all these features. You can see that I am having migrate my operating system from the hard disk to another one. You can copy the partition wizard, you can copy the disk, you can recover the partition that can be lost for some reasons. It can wipe the disk or delete all the partitions. It can check the disk for errors, to reboot the MBR, to make some surface test, to recover the partitions, and all bunch of other things that you can need in here. So when you take a closer look, you can see that we was able to detect my disk as a disk 1, as it is my Toshiba disk, and it is 500 gigabytes. I can go ahead and make partition starting from the partition that have like a free space. I can say that I want a half of that, and I can click on here and go to move and resize. After doing this, I can go ahead and say that I want to make, for example, I want to make this as 30 gigabytes. I'm going to make, for example, let me take 30. And after doing that, I can go ahead and press on OK. In this case, you can see that there will be this operation pending, and to do that, I can go ahead and click on apply, and after the apply, when I do this, it will ask me to close all the other applications. If you want to continue with these processes, you can go ahead and click on yes, but for the sake of not closing all my working spaces, I can leave that as a no. I hope you have seen on how you can make the partition by using this MiniTool Partition Wizard Pro Platinum 12.6. I hope you get something. Let me know in the comment if you met with any problem. I will be right there to help you, like always. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.